What's up guys, it's Michael again. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a little video of an unboxing of some equipment that I just purchased. We got a new 8-gallon a minute machine, and we got another big guy surface cleaner. It's 28 inches. So we're just going to do a little unboxing video, show you guys how it got shipped to my house, show you guys what you get. I'm going to give a shout out to the supplier that I got it from, go over some numbers on how much I paid for it. So just stay tuned. We're getting rid of, so right now we're running a soft wash system. We're running an 8-gallon a minute machine, and we're running a 4-gallon a minute machine on one of my trailers. So we're gonna get rid of one of the 4-gallon a minute machines. So we'll have two 8-gallon a minute machines. We'll have the soft wash system. Today I'm actually gonna order a proportioner. So I'm not gonna be doing any more batch mixing. So I'm gonna set that up. Hopefully we'll get that in next week. And we're just upgrading some stuff on the trailer, getting some stuff to just beefing up some equipment so we can do some faster job times on these commercial jobs and residential jobs. Especially like we have a big job coming up. We have a lot of flat work to do, so that's why I pretty much went ahead and pulled the trigger with these machines and the new surface cleaner, just so we can knock that out a lot faster. So let's get started with this, all right? All right guys, so this is it. This is how it got arrived to my door. I was actually here when the carrier came here, and he just put it, wheeled it right up my driveway and into my garage for me. So it worked out perfect. Comes right on a pallet. Everything is very secure. Nothing's damaged at all. Everything's wrapped up nice. This is the surface cleaner box right here, and this is the big box for the machine. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. All right guys, so this is it. Everything's opened up. Nothing's damaged. They packaged everything really nice and took really good care of everything. So we got the machine right here, the GX690. We got some tips that came in the bag. We got, looks like this goes to a hose reel, so we got a bag of stuff right there. We got owner's manual, paperwork, stuff like that. Come around here. Got a gun. We got a new gun that came with it. Looks like 50 feet of hose. And we got a battery box for the battery. So it's already got a fitting right here for the water source. That'll be where the water goes in, hooks up at. We got two battery cables right here. So I'll need to go pick up an extra battery. Battery box right there. That's it, guys. It looks great. Now let's open up the surface cleaner. All right, guys, so we just got this opened up. We folded this out. It was pretty much on the ground like that. So what you do is you just fold this up like that. Go ahead and tighten these two screws right there. Pull up this, and then you get your hose. Go ahead, it has a quick connect. Lock that in. This is it. I love these surface cleaners, 28 inches. It's got the swivel on it. Got the gun right here. Very nice. All right guys, so this is it. I got the new equipment out, unboxed and everything like that. We got oil already in here. We already got this hooked up right here. So all I gotta do is hook up a water hose right there, hook up my battery connections right here, and we can load this sucker in the trailer. So I'll have two cold water, 8-gallon a minute machines, and two surface cleaners. I don't really have any use for any hot water machines. So this is gonna be awesome. I'll show you guys a video of everything set up in the trailer, and we'll do a review after that. But I got this from Manatee Pressure Manatee power washing out in Florida. They shipped it to me in about 2 to 3 days. Great customer service. I use TJ. He's one of the sales guys, so reach out to TJ. And great pricing and stuff like that. So